Africa have to use the resources within our disposal for the benefit of our people. We must see areas where we have comparative advantage, put much of our resources into developing those areas for the benefit of our people. We in Alogo Cassava Foundation are passionate about using cassava for development of Africa. We want to use cassava as a tool for alleviating poverty and making Africa industrialized. Africa has a high advantage in cassava production. We are a leading cassava producer in the whole world. But unfortunately, Africa has not been able to utilize this cassava as it should. 10% of this cassava that we produce is used for industrial processing, while 90% is being consumed. But there are several opportunities where we can use and improve on this cassava so that it becomes an industrial crop that will be used to alleviate the suffering when so many people are now involved at the production, processing and marketing. It will now start serve as a tool of improving Africa economically. Elsewhere in the world, like Brazil and Thailand, they have been able to use cassava effectively as an instrument of industrial development. In Thailand and Brazil, cassava is a building block of industrial development. They have been able to successfully link up large-scale farms of cassava to processors that produce cassava into starch, ethanol, and several products from cassava. But we in Africa have not been able to do that. But there are opportunities. Being the leading producer, we have several opportunities that we can use in order to use this crop for economic emancipation of our people. Government in Africa has now realized the importance of cassava and are now putting so much effort into infrastructural development and write policies that will kickstart a new cassava industry in Africa that will be relevant and will also improve Africa. These actions of government must be sustained for us to be able to achieve the feast that we want to achieve with respect to cassava. In Alogo Cassava Foundation, we are looking at the value chain right from production to processing and marketing. We want to see how we'll be able to assist right from the production aspect. The assistance will give with respect to inputs, with respect to farmlands, with respect to all other inputs that are needed to produce cassava. We want to come in and keep succor to farmers that will be involved in cassava production. We want to also preach the word of cassava to people, see how we can bring in individuals, communities, organizations to invest in cassava processing industry, where they will be able to mop up all the cassava that have been produced by producers. And we also want to ignite new markets for this product. Of course, we know that cassava is being used 10% substitution in bread. We know it's also being used 10% as ethanol in fuel and all other areas, in pharmaceuticals, in food industry. In several areas cassava is being used. We want to ignite and sponsor new markets and open up new markets, train people, bakers, bring more people that will realize the importance of cassava and key into it in order to absorb the enormous products that will be brought out by these processors. We are most interested in using graduates. Being educated, we know that it will be easy for them to embrace new technologies in cassava production, processing and marketing, so as to be able to take Africa and Nigeria to the level that they want to be with respect to this cassava production. We are inviting you people to join our organization. Alogo Cassava Foundation have several units. one can join. We have the processing unit, we have the production unit, we have the finance unit, we have the training unit, we have the administrative unit. Now you can be involved in any of these units. If you have the passion of contributing to Africa, if you have the passion of making Africa come out of this present situation by using cassava as a tool, you can join us. Just visit our website and see how to become a volunteer with us. You can also be, if you are interested farmer, if you are a young graduate, OND, or a university or polytechnic graduate, you can make yourself available. If you are interested in becoming a farmer, you register with our cooperative, Alogo Cassava Foundation Farmers Cooperative. Using that, you will become part of us. And as we move to be able to draw people to contribute, to assist them, you will also benefit from such assistance that want to immense. You can be a sponsor. As a sponsor, if you have the finance and you believe in what we are doing, you're interested in agriculture, you also want people, you also want our countries in Africa to go out of these present positions that it is with respect to agriculture, then you can put in your money. Your sponsorship will be more interested in areas like office furniture, like halls, like vehicles that we need, tractor, maybe large parcels of land. Those will be helpful for us so that we'll be able to enhance these resources, all for the benefit of improving the lives of our people. You can also be involved as an investor. If you have so much money and you want to invest, part of investment could be at the production aspect, or it could also be investing in the processing facilities. You could come in and discuss with us. It might be in partnership with the non-governmental organization, in partnership with us. But the whole essence is for us to establish more and more of these processing factories so that Africa, using this, will be able to tap from its resources. And another area is sponsorship, is partnership rather. If you believe in what we are doing, our doors are open for partnership. You can partner with us at any level. Partnership that will make us access latest technology with respect to cassava production. Partnership that will make us to be able to train our volunteers to be able to take whatever they have learned to farmers and people that it will benefit. Partnership in areas where we will have access to latest processing and production technologies in order to help our people. Our doors are wide open. Ours is the fact that we believe that if we give to Africa, Africa will never remain the same and will transform for the better. Join us as we are moving in order to develop Africa and make Africa an envy of other continents.